G'day YouTube. This is just a quick video to show you guys how to install something in CentOS. Now it actually uses the Yum or the Yellow Dog Update Manager, and in order to install something, anything, you need to first have root privileges. So type in sudo space dash, throw in your password. I've just done that a moment ago, so it's already there, that's fine. And then from there type in yum space install and anything. Now for the purposes of this video, I'll just use something that's quite small and downloads quite fast. I think htop, hopefully it's not already installed. Hit enter and see what happens. No package available, that's not fantastic, so let's try something else. Yum install GIMP. Here we go, go ahead there, and there we go, got all the packages, and go ahead yes for install. So that's pretty much it, guys. Super quick and simple video to show you guys how to install something or anything, any sort of package that you believe to be in the repository in CentOS 7, or for that matter, pretty much any CentOS has used the Yum or Yellow Dog Update Manager for as far as I've known it. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let that complete, check the applications menu, and you'll have what you have to need to have installed. So cheers, guys. Hope you've enjoyed.